If you run a local business, your Google My Business (GMB) listing can be one of your most powerful tools for attracting customers online. But simply creating a listing isn't enough. You need to optimize it for SEO. Here are some top tricks to help your business rank higher in local searches and on Google Maps. First, complete every part of your profile. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, hours, and categories are accurate and consistent across all platforms. Include a keyword-rich description that clearly explains your services. The more complete and detailed your listing, the more Google trusts it, which can improve your ranking. Next, use high-quality visuals. Listings with photos and videos get more engagement and clicks. Include images of your storefront, team, products, and services. Update photos regularly to show activity, and make sure they're clear, professional, and appropriately sized for Google's recommendations. Encourage and manage reviews strategically. Ask happy customers to leave reviews, respond to every review promptly, and include natural keywords where relevant. Reviews are a major ranking factor in local search, and active engagement shows Google that your business is trustworthy and reliable. Another SEO trick is posting regularly on your listing. Share updates, promotions, events, and new products through Google Posts. Active pages tend to rank higher because Google sees them as more relevant and engaging for users. Finally, optimize the Q&A section. Anticipate common questions your customers ask and provide clear, keyword-rich answers. This helps Google match your listing to relevant searches and gives users quick answers without leaving your profile. Bonus trick: monitor GMB insights. Check which searches, actions, and clicks are driving traffic to your listing. Use this data to refine your keywords, content, and engagement strategies, helping your profile perform even better in local search results. Thanks for watching. If these Google My Business SEO tricks helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more local SEO tips, marketing strategies, and business growth hacks. Comment below and tell me, which trick will you implement first to boost your local ranking?